All right, damn right I got knives here with another knife review. Let's get into this. Tapper Zukie, Escape from Hell. I love this artwork, especially for a dub record. It's just really great. Originally released in 1977, gives you some information here. This record here was in the hands of people like Prince Jammy, King Tubby, King Jammy, Philip Smart, Channel One, cut with Sly and Robbie, the Revolutionary Band. Yeah, just a really great dub record all the way around. Let's take a look at this vinyl. This is a newer repress of this in great condition. Yeah, really cool record. Put this away. Tapper Zukie, Escape from Hell. All right, let's set this aside. All right, I'm drinking this tonight. Voodoo Ranger Imperial IPA by New Belgium. And I like the artwork, it's cool. Old skeleton with a flight helmet on. Voodoo Ranger Imperial IPA. The first sip I had was great. Let's tell you about the second. And that's a good beer. Remember to like and subscribe. Moving along. I got this in the mail today. Let's get into this thing. Packaging slip and a cardboard box. So a few things. This is my first Wii knife. Some of their stuff looks a little too sci-fi, fantasy or something. And then I've heard a lot about them. I'm eager to see what I think of them. I've just never pulled the trigger on a Wii knife for one reason or another. But this is gonna be a first impression based on the box, based on everything. Standard, regular, old, white box. Still sealed. All right, so it opens this way. This is cool. It comes in a pouch. I like that already. Simple basic box, but that they give you this little case is actually really cool. Let's release the Drakon. Let's take a look. All right, so they got these little silica gel pack. Got a Wii Knife Company, instructions and use, warranty. That's cool. They give you a little microfiber cloth. In here we have the knife, and this pouch is cool. It's like this kind of, what do you call that? Like, is that a fleece or something in there? And it's a tight fit in there, so this thing's not falling out easily. And you could fit two in there. I like that. So let's go ahead and take this out. And there's that integral frame, one solid piece of titanium. Just a nice little guy. It's not that big. I really like this size of knife. So it's got the Wii logo there. Nice pocket clip. When you get it in your pocket, that much of it will be sticking out. And the lock for this is cut into the same piece of titanium. Should I do the flipper first? I guess so. Got some jimping here on the blade. These scales are nice. These like dragon looking scales. Wow, this feels really good in your hand. Definitely a good grip there. I love that blade look too. It has to be the right, for each person that's in knives, it's the blade, it's the handle, it's like different elements that attract you to them, and everybody's slightly different. This frame feels solid as heck. Let's see. Absolutely zero blade play in any direction. And let's try this lock. Oh yeah, I can flick it with my thumb. That flipper is like, you have to, it's not a push, it's a light switch for sure. Maybe it'll work in a little. It's a little stiff right now. Let's try to Spidey flick it. Oh, Spidey flick, come on. Oh, I can't do it. I can't spider flick this. Maybe I'm pushing down on the frame lock in some way. Let me try again. I don't think so. I mean, I'm completely clear of this in any way, the way I'm holding it. Because sometimes if you push down on this as you're opening, you can stop the blade from coming out. The thumb fits in and you're pushing down and it just opens up. And the flipper tab, just make sure you're not pushing on it, it comes right up. I'm digging this. All right. There's the lanyard hole. You can see it going all the way through. Integral frame. I mean, one step away from being like a fixed blade. I liked the all black version where you could see the bronze too, but then this metal piece stuck out a lot. And if you notice, it's really hidden in there well too, because they do the scales all the way onto it. It's a slightly shinier color than this, but it's hidden well, and I like that. I'm gonna be carrying this knife. Yep, I like it. It's so hefty. The Drakon. I like the scales too. Like when I first saw this knife, I'm like, oh, I'm not gonna get something like that. The craftsmanship, this is a high-end machine-made knife. It's not handmade. Blade length is 3.45. Blade thickness is 0.13. I really like how this design is here. The cuts along the top, not just in here, but along the top, there's little cuts too, little forms, and it looks just really nice. The blade steel is Bowler M390, flat blade grind. The handle length is 4.55 inches, and that's just one piece of titanium, and it's all carved or CNC'd out of there. The screw materials are titanium. The clip material is titanium. The pivot cap is titanium. The ceramic ball bearings that are in here, but you can't really see them, but it is smooth. The weight is 3.8 ounces. And it's got the frame lock. And it's a little bit raised compared to the other side. You can see it there, and that's nice. It gives your finger an easy place to reach to. This is made in China by We Knives. From what I'm seeing right now in my hand, they are excellent. The overall length is 8 inches. It's a black wash blade, grayscale pattern. It's also more subtle on this version, and I kind of like that. It does look like a dragon slayer. All right, let's take a look at it compared to some other knives to give us a good sense of things. Here's the Spidey flick. Very similar length and handle there. And you got a Benchmade 940. Very similar length all the way around. I mean, the handle, the blade. We saw this earlier. This is the UTX 85. And you got a Benchmade bug out. And how about we look at my ProTech Malibu. All right, let's put these away. Let's see how sharp it is out of the box, having never been used. So if you notice, I'm doing a pull cut, where I keep the knife still and I pull the paper. I'm just making little teeny curls here. One of the sharper knives that I've gotten out of the box right here. Really, really sharp. Very sharp. All right, let's clean this up. The weight feels really good in your hand. It feels solid. It's not too heavy, not too light. The feel is amazing. It's got a good grip, and it feels like you're not gonna slide up on that knife or anything. This is definitely meant to be held and be used as well as just admired. You may not want to use it too much because you don't want to lose it or damage it, but this thing can be used every single day. The sound is great because we're listening to some Tapper Zukie dub. Really nice flicking sound. The thumb flick sounds good. Gonna keep trying to Spidey flick that, but I can't. I can do it so easy with this. Look, bam, Spidey flick. Different fingers and whatever, but this one I can not yet. Oh, I can't even get in there. Mostly gonna be flipping this thing when I need to open it. Right there. It's nice to have two options though. This thing is made really, really well. The centering maybe is slightly off, but it could be the angle when looking at it. I mean, no, it's pretty on. The pocket clip, you know, we'll see when I wear it. Looks like it's gonna be just fine. The Wee Knives 819 Drakon. I like it. Feeling good about this one, for sure. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Really appreciate you guys. Take it easy. This is Damn Right I Got Knives signing out. Adios, amigos.